Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to be making Sichuan style chili wontons. First, we're going to finely chop the spring onions. You can also chuck this into the food processor if you're running tight on time. We're then going to add the spring onions, sugar, salt and mirin to the pork and then just evenly mix it together. Once you've got your filling ready, just take a spoonful of it and place it in the middle of the dumpling sheet, then bring all four corners towards the center and press down in the middle just above the filling to seal it up. Repeat this until you've used up all your filling and then just set the wontons aside. Mince the garlic and then place them into the bowl where you're going to eat your wontons. Again, you can use the food processor for this to save time. And then take the sesame seeds and just lightly toast them until they're a golden color and add it to the garlic. We're then going to heat up the chili oil in a pan and once it's hot, pour it over the garlic sesame mix. You should see it sizzle up and once it stops bubbling, add in the sugar, vinegar and soy sauce and then give it a mix. To cook the wontons, we're just going to bring a pot of water to the boil and then add them all in. Once they start floating to the top, they're ready to be taken out. Then just place the wontons into the chili oil. It's okay if you have a little bit of the water from the pot into the chili oil as well. You can then garnish it with some coriander and peanuts and then that's it, we're done. Thanks for watching and please remember to like and subscribe.